Hello and welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. If you're just joining me for the first time, I say welcome. Thanks for joining me on this ride. We are about to drive straight to profit. Yes, you heard me right. My channel is all about t-shirt design. Generally t-shirt design, how to make passive income from t-shirt designs. Yes, you don't need to print them physically. All you need to do is to upload them on Redbubble, Public Match by Amazon, and any other print on demand site you might know of. Just upload your designs to those sites and make a lot of these designs and start making passive income. So what I generally do on my channel is to create these designs for you as inspiration and use this inspiration to create something similar. And my designs are always super easy to create. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you stick around, make sure you subscribe if you've not subscribed already. And with that said, I'm just going to go straight right into it. Yes, one more thing before I forget. If you stick around longer, I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro. Yes, you heard me right. Canva Pro free for 30 days. That's a gift from me to you. If you stick around in this video and learn from this video, you're going to know how to get that. So make sure you stick around. So I don't want to waste your time. I'm just going to go straight right into it. I'm going to open canva.com for this one. This one is going to be a very simple design. It's not going to be complicated. I promise you that it's not going to be complicated. So now we just hit on create a design. Custom dimension, the standard is 500 by 400. Super easy, not complicated. Just hit create new design. It's as easy as that. It's not going to be complicated at all. Just watch, follow me, sit back and relax. Get your cup of tea or your cup of coffee with your cookies, and I'm going to go straight right into the design. So for this one, we're going to start with text. Okay, we're going to start with text. We can do letter frame for this, but I would like to start with text. I don't want to do letter frame for this one, but we can do letter frame. So let's go to element. Okay, and do letter frames. Okay, let's go to element and do letter frames. Letter frames. Okay, so let's do letter frames for this one. Okay, these are letter frames. Letter frames are cool because you can actually put image into them. So now I'm just going to find the words I want to use for this one. Okay, I'm just going to find the words I want to use. So it's going to be W. Okay, I don't want it super big. I don't want it super big, so it's just going to be like so. Okay, and now the I. Okay, okay, I don't want it to be super big. I'm just reduce this a bit. Okay, so you have it like so. We can decide to make the eye a little bit bigger. Does not really matter. All is going to create a good list. So now do the L. Okay, okay, so we can do the L like so, or make it a bit smaller. Okay, can make it a bit smaller to just match. Okay, then we'll do the D. Make sure you stick around. It's super easy. This is not complicated. You can see Canva Pro. Canva is full of everything, if you ask me. So now we have it. It says wild. Okay, so now you can decide to click on this one. Okay, and just move it to the middle like so. Okay, now that we have that done, the next step is to go to our element again and just type wild. You can just type wild. It's going to give us different Okay, and just type wide and look for a cool design. You can do adventure or tourism, whatever. So okay, tourism, let's do that and let's see what it can bring out. Okay, you can see this is a cool one, but it's a pro font. Okay, you can see how easy it is. So you can just pick one of these, look for, you can go to pictures, like to do pictures. Let's do wild again. As you can see, so you can do wild like that. Okay, you can just do wild and just find a cool picture you can use for your design. You can see this one, you can just carry it and put it on the W like that. Okay, you can just use different images for different ones. Okay, as you can see different ones. You can just change things around for yourself. Okay, you can just change things around for yourself. Okay, you can see how easy it is to create this design. Just find different things you can use, different elements you can use. You have a lot to choose from. It's up to you. Whatever you want to use, you can use. Okay, you can use whatever you want to use. It's up to you. It's up to you totally. Okay, I'll just reduce this first of all, and I can move it onto this design. I'll make it bigger a bit, and I'll just move it like so. As you can see, so you can see how easy this design was to create. It was not complicated at all. So now I can decide to click on it. Okay, I can decide to click on it and create a white background, or just leave it the way it is. It does not really matter. So now you can see it did not take us a lot of time. This took us about 7 minutes to create. So you can decide to make a black border behind it if you want to. You can decide to make a black border behind it. It's up to you. You can do that. It's totally up to you to create that for yourself. Now you can see how easy it was for us to do this. It didn't take us a lot of time to create this for ourselves. Now this is why you need Canva Pro. If you notice, there's an image here. Okay, there's an image here that adds the Canva watermark on it. It says remove it. You can do that. If you're on Pro, you don't need to do that. You can just leave it the way it is. But if you're not on Pro, check the first link in the description. That is a gift from me to you. Click that first link in the description. It's going to take you to a new tab. Sign up for Canva Pro. You're not going to take your cash, and you're going to get Canva Pro free for 30 days on me. Yes, you heard me right. And you can come back and you're going to see that this watermark is going to be gone, and you can use it on your design. Yes, it's that simple. That's a gift for me to you. Secondly, you want to get rid of this white background, and you can only do that on Canva Pro. Canva Premium, you can only do that on Canva Premium. So I advise you to sign up with the first link in the description. The first link you see in the description, it says Canva Pro 30 days. Make sure you check the first link in the description and you do that for yourself. So you come, when you've done that, you come to download, then you click on this. So I've just downloaded with watermark drafts because I already have the Pro. As you will see in my thumbnail, I already have the Pro. So you just download it for yourself. It's going to download, and you go over and cross check for yourself. It's very important you always cross check your design. I always advise that. So let's do that. So this is it, as you can see. So we're going to click on it. It's going to open, and you can see how cool this effect is. Some people don't know you can actually put images into into boxes like this, so you can see how cool this effect is. It did not take us a lot of time to get this done. It was super easy. It just took us about, I think, 10 minutes to get this done. To your right you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist to get more inspiration, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.